Joliet, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Oaklawn, Downers Grove, Romeoville, Plainfield, Oswego, Lockport, Westmont, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Blue Island, Lisle, Alta, Yorkville, Kent.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 7 o'clock p.m. At 6:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Justice, moving southeast to 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Oaklawn, Blue Island, Alsip, Midlothian, Justice, Summit, Worth, Willow Springs, Midway Airport, Burbank, Evergreen Park, Palos Hills, Chicago Ridge, Hickory Hills, Crestwood, Marionette Park, Hopkins, Bedford Park and Englewood, including the following interstates. Interstate 55 between mile markers 280 and 283. Interstate 57 between mile markers 355 and 357. Interstate 94 between mile markers 60 and 62. Interstate 294 between mile markers 60 and 62. This includes Toyota Park, Windy City Thunderbolts Baseball, and Moraine Valley Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.